Big data types and running big. First, what is Pig? Apache Pig is a high-level data flow platform for executing MapReduce programs of Hadoop. The language used for Pig is Pig Latin. The Pig script gets internally converted to MapReduce jobs and get executed on data stored in HDFS. And apart from that, Pig can also execute job on Apache Test and Apache Spark. First, we will see about big data types. There are two types of data types: scalar data types and complex data types. First, big data types section describes the big data types, but also their state notations such as missing data. It is also assist as explaining effects of big. This is the scalar data types using the normal languages like a integer, long, float, double, boolean, char array, bit integer, big decimals. Integer is a 1732-bit integer value. Long is 64-bit integer value. Float is 32-bit floating byte value. And double is 64-bit floating byte value. Boolean is dispensing a true or false value. Char array and a byte array. Big integer displays the big integers and big decimals is displays big decimals. Next, complex data types. Complex data types means um, is supposed to be a variety of the sophisticated data types like tuples, bags, maps, and each of these contains a data types as well as data additional complicated types. As a result, is legal one to map with values. Field with large tuples, several fields is case in the maps. These are the complex data types: maps, tuples, and bags. It has a key and value pair data types. Maps tuple is it's a collection of or one or more fields. Bag it's collection of one or more tuples. Next, running pig. There are three modes: interactive mode, batch mode, embedded mode. The mechanism of Apache Pig script may be run three modes: interactively and batchly and embedded. First, interactive mode, that is using the ground shell in interactive mode with Apache Pig. In the shell, you may run big Latin statement and see the result using dump operators. Next, batch mode. Next, batch mode is like a script, and the pig may be run batch mode by saving the pig Latin script in the single file with the pig suffix. Third one, embedded mode UDF. Apache Pig allows us to define our own method scripting functions in languages such as Java and use them in our codes. That's all about running big and big data types. Thank you, friends.